Hello everyone, I'm Lisa.
Wow!
Today I will make a mini house.
Ooh, what's this? A tiny cake. Wow!
Wow, look at this adorable Minnie Mouse cash register toy. Let's see what goodies we can buy today. A carton of milk, a bottle of water, ketchup, a delicious breakfast cookies, a small box of candy, a sweet bakery.
Hi, Lisa. I'd like to buy something for my breakfast.
Hello there. What do you want to buy?
Milk. And some cookies.
My, what a lovely selection you have.
How much is it?
We will scan this cookies box to see how much is it. And with the milk, we will weight it. Let's see how much for the total. That will be 30 euros, please.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Let's get your change. $50 minus 30 equals 20. Have a wonderful day.
By the way, can you help me to build a house?
I got an idea. First, I'm taking this corrugated cardboard and folding it into a three-sided box shape. This will be the main structure of the house. I'll make a smaller one for the second floor and glue it inside. Time for the kitchen. I'm gluing these layers of cardboard together. This will be the base for my mini cabinets. A little mini face with a bow. Adorable! Two yellow stripes become the doors. For the countertop, I have this pretty light blue rectangle with a darker blue border. I'll glue that on top. I start with this adorable little cardboard box. It's about the size of a matchbox and already covered in bright pink paper. Now for the fun part, the door. I'm cutting out this piece of black foam to look like Minnie Mouse's head, ears, and all. To make Minnie's face, I'm gluing this smaller white semicircle onto the black foam. A cute red bow with white polka dots goes right here, between the ears. Doesn't she look sweet? Lastly, the buttons. I'm making a mini gas stove now. It can be done with hot pink foam and copper. Okay, next step is a coffee maker. I'm starting with a ball of black clay. I'm flattening it slightly, then using this ball tool to make a deep indent. I'm taking some red clay, rolling it into a thin strip, and wrapping it around the black clay. So cute! For the dining table, I'm flattening some light blue clay and cutting out an oval. A darker blue border, some little indents for detail and pearly beads for legs. How fancy! Now the chairs. Little rounded pink faces and black mini heads for the backs. Just like the cash register.
A perfect match!
I'm starting with a ball of yellow clay. I'm going to flatten it into a little disc. This will be the base of my cake. I'm rolling out thin white strips of clay and placing them across the top of the yellow disc in a crisscross pattern to look like a lattice top. Next, a strip of hot pink, or is it magenta? Clay is wrapped around the edge. creating a thick band of frosting that drips down the sides a little. I'm adding little white balls of clay around the bottom edge of the yellow cake, like a pretty pearl border.
Is the cake ready? Bon appetit, Lisa! So yummy!
Next is Minnie's bedroom. I'm taking a small square of cardboard and gluing a few more layers on top to make it thicker. I'm covering the sides of my cardboard stack with this glossy pink paper. Now, I'll glue on a little square of foam for the drawer front. I'm adding a little black Minnie head silhouette to the drawer, just like the kitchen cabinet. And just because I'm outlining the Minnie head with some sparkly golden string. Very chic! For the bed, more cardboard layers, glued together and covered in pretty pink paper. Now for a comfy pillow, some cotton on cardboard, and I'm wrapping this soft pink velvet fabric around it. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Make Minnie's eyes. Make the bow. Flatten the clay. Cut off the excess clay. So cute! Blush for Minnie. So beautiful! First, I need some light blue clay. I roll it into a ball, and then I'll flatten it between these clear acrylic sheets to make a nice, even rectangle. This will be the main part of the blanket. To make the blanket look quilted, I'm using a knife tool to make indentations, first in one direction, and then across, creating a diamond pattern. Now for the fluffy edge. I'm taking a long, thin roll of the same blue clay and attaching it around the edge of the rectangle. Then, using this little tool, I'm pressing indents all along the blue border to make it look like a ruffled trim. I'm adding a thin white strip of clay all around the edge, right on top of the blue trim. This adds a nice little detail. And now, some tiny flowers. And for the bedside lamp, another Minnie head. This is going to be the base for the lampshade. A red bow with white polka dots glued to the front, and it's already looking like Minnie. Next, I'm taking a piece of gold wire and threading on some pearly beads. 3 big ones, some smaller ones in between. And some tiny gold flower-shaped beads for extra sparkle. I glue the bead stem into the hollow of the Minnie head lampshade. Minnie needs a desk. First, I'm taking a small square of cardboard, just like the ones used for the nightstand and other furniture. Now for the desk's top. Another piece of light blue paper, slightly bigger than the base. That's a nice pop of color. The chair gets a comfy clay seat cushion, scalloped edges, and a heart-shaped back with a red center and white border. white legs, and it's ready for studying or online shopping.
How romantic!
For the computer, black and pink clay.
Ooh, just like my cash register.
And a little mini picture for the screen. A keyboard and some cute speakers complete the setup.
Wow! Can you help me turn on the light?
First, I'm going to take some blue clay and mold it into the general shape of a sofa. A long rectangle with rounded edges on one side. Now for the finishing touches, I'm adding thin white strips of clay along the top edges of the sofa back and arms. Then I'm adding white pearly beads to the bottom of the sofa for the feet. There you have it, a cozy blue sofa. I'm starting with a ball of pink clay. I flatten it into a circle. This will be the tabletop. For a fun, textured edge, I'm using a length of pink pom-pom trim. It's so fluffy. Every house needs a pool. I'm pouring this blue slime, perfect for a miniature pool. I'm adding these cute little star and gem shapes. Minnie will love this.
Did you make the pool for me?
Yes, Minnie. Let's try it.
Cannonball! Looking good!
The pond goes upstairs too. Almost there. For the stairs connecting the two floors, I have this sparkly rainbow paper. And there you have it.
I love my new home.
A perfect Minnie Mouse dollhouse.
Ooh, what's this? Wow, a fluffy bed. So soft, time for a nap. Whee! A sparkly rainbow slide. Whee! Pretty! This looks comfy, perfect.
Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa.